Hello, Dutch Mama here. Have you ever sat and looked at a tree for a while in real life? They're really cool and there's lots of lessons in them. Okay, every single one of those plant cells in that tree has rules that it has to follow that are programmed into its DNA. It has mechanisms to know how much light and how much space and how much nutrients it has, so it knows whether or not to reproduce. And when it does reproduce, those rules tell it where the next cell is supposed to go. And each different kind of cell has different rules. And because they follow these rules, this tree doesn't put limbs where they're going to be an encumbrance most of the time. So essentially, this entire tree's form is dictated by rules. But in spite of those rules, and because of those rules, every tree is different. There's almost infinite expression of those rules. And different trees have slightly different variants of those rules they go by, and so you can have great variety in tree form. And if a limb breaks or is damaged somehow, then it can come off and there's a scar there, and sometimes bugs get in, but the tree is providing shelter for birds and other animals that will eat those bugs that would harm the tree. So there's systems in place so this tree can maintain itself. And it can put off chemicals that help protect the tree from infestation. It's just really cool, right? So, and you look at all this and you realize this didn't accidentally happen. No. Someone designed this tree. And you look at all of this and you realize the rules just aren't there to keep the tree down. They help the tree thrive. And the form isn't just there to look pretty. It has function. Not only for structural integrity, but also for maintenance and protection. Trees are really cool. And we can learn a lot about art through them. And people are a lot like trees. You might not understand the structure someone's face takes, but it does follow general rules for what a human face is supposed to be like, unless they've got an eyeball on their chin or something. And their face is that way because it's serving a purpose. And it's designed by the same guy who designed the trees. If you can take these principles that you see in a tree and you can apply them to humans and to art and to engineering and to understanding life and the way it is, your life will be very rich. So, I'm just scratching the surface of that. Think about it, and I hope this helps. And you have a good day.